Hello, it's DK here, and I'm reviewing Usdcad for Monday the 5th of February to Friday the 9th of February. That was the first full week in February. And so we have from Friday here. Friday's high just happens to be the high of the week as well. We want to see price react off that and then either reverse or go continue in the uptrend. So I'm zooming in to see what we had during the London session. All right, so we had price breakthrough, reverse, and then come down. It's a lot of range movement, wicks, no strong direction, just trickling down. And then when the London candle opened, we had it come up, and yeah, let me just zoom in. Okay, so I was previously expecting a sell to continue here, but when I saw this pattern play out, that's a bearish engulfing and then a bearish, bullish, bearish again, I took a buy. On this, which was quickly invalidated. In about 5 minutes, it was invalidated. And so when I saw this, I didn't take it because it was still within this range, so I expected price to come up and then give another position. I missed this because I wasn't by the chart, but this would have been a trade I would have taken, and that would have meant 2 losses because price quickly invalidated. Now the interesting thing is that after these losses, price did go for the buy anyway. But quite unfortunately, any entry I would have taken would have amounted to another loss. If I took this entry, I would have had another loss. No, let me see if it was 3%. Well, it was 3%, but I might have taken another loss on this. So it was quite an interesting Monday, seeing that price did eventually go for, let's see if I took a trade here, about 60 pips for a stop loss of about 5. Even if it's 6, that's 1:10. So that was quite, a sad one there. Yeah, but that was Monday. Not sad, unfortunate. All right, then moving into Tuesday, we can see Tuesday's high, but more interestingly, we are seeing a weekly level. All right, so coming in the London session, I wasn't interested, and then in the New York session, coming in, we had this huge sell. So I was just expecting that price retraces a bit, gives the pattern, and then we flow down, but price decided to go up, take out this high again before coming down. Still no pattern, goes up and then comes down again. So it's like I have an idea of the direction that I want to see price go, but I'm not getting an entry on this. So that's what happened with price here. Now for those who trade with Fibonacci, they might have gotten a sell somewhere here because of the retracements, this way. So they might have gotten a sell on this, but I completely missed this move. I don't think I would have had any entry on this move all the way down. And then going into Wednesday. So going into Wednesday, we are having Tuesday's low all the way. Yeah. and then a weekly level as well. Now in the London session, I'm looking for buys primarily because price has triggered this low, started going up. So I'll take this as a retracement, and then I would have taken a buy here. It's quickly invalidated, price comes all the way lower, goes up again. So I think it was just something peculiar with this week that we are not seeing price being decisive in the direction, because usually should price invalidate this, you should see a downward movement immediately prints out, but that didn't happen all the way until the London session. And even with that, it was just a strong move without much in the way of patterns to capitalize on it, just a strong move down. So that's how price played out on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, so for Thursday, this is our Wednesday low. So coming into Thursday, we are having that reversal we've been looking for. All right, so price takes this low, comes up, take this low, comes up, and then right above this level, that's the previous low, it gives us the pattern. Yeah, so we can see that bullish, bearish, bullish pattern that I've been talking about for quite a while now. We are seeing 3.1, 3.2 pip SL, and then I'll be targeting this weekly level because I know price can react off this, and that alone gives us about 5% on it. Should you have missed this initial one, this entry would have also been a good one. Also, you should be looking about 4 to 5% on this. Yeah, 4.8 on this. So this is a classic entry. Now, how far did price go? Price went as far as 30 pips, so it means we could have gotten a 1 to 10 on this. Yeah, could have gotten at about a 1 to 10 on this. I personally found that I still don't have, or I don't have the patience yet to wait for such long ranges. I tend to close out around 3 to 4%, but I'm hoping that with practice I'll be able to hold on for such long ranges, because I think they are the most beneficial, considering how many losses we took when we had the ranges in previous days. This would have catered for a lot of them and still put us in profits. So this was a really good one. And then moving on to Friday. Okay, so for Friday we are having this as our low. Strike that out. That's the only place we had a reaction. I would have drawn for 2 if I was entering the day, but this is just a review. So low key level in the London session, so that would have been off. Then I see this pattern, see the same thing that we've been looking for, but this is right before news, so I wouldn't advise it. But the pattern plays out. I only advise taking an entry because should the news have moved the other way, it might have crossed, it might have doubled our SL, might have closed somewhere here, and that's not good enough for us. So the news would have given us that 3% should we have taken this sell. But all in all, it's all good. And that is how Usdcad was for the week 5th to 9th. We look forward to how price plays in the next week. Thank you and see you in the next video.